Assalamualaikum. Today we're making a delicious and creamy kheer, a classic dessert loved in every home. Start by simmering 1 liter of milk in a pot, letting creamy steam rise. Gently stir with a wooden spoon until it begins to thicken. Next, add 1/4 cup of soaked rice in a slow, careful pour. Keep stirring on low heat until the rice is perfectly soft and the mixture becomes creamy. Now, mix in 1/2 cup of sugar and a pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. For that signature richness, add a handful of chopped pistachios and almonds, stirring everything together. Finally, pour the luscious kheer into small serving bowls. Garnish with a touch of silver leaf or some extra nuts for a beautiful presentation. Serve it with a warm smile for a cozy feel. Your smooth, creamy kheer is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hijabi Bites for more traditional and quick desserts. Jazakallahu, Allah Hafiz.